Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi student.
Hai,
Waalaikumsalam
Miss.
warahmatullahi
Hai,
wabarakatuh.
Miss. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How's your day, guys?
I'm good, Miss.
I'm good. I'm good,
Okay.
Miss.
Did everyone go to class today?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. I'll be absent first, right? Cintana,
Present, Miss.
Sahnas,
Present, Miss.
Nurul,
Present, Miss.
Nafisa,
Present, Miss.
Najwa, Najwa Mutia,
Present, Miss.
Anggita.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Today, I'll discuss material about narrative text. Wait a minute. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that past tense. Genre of narrative text is first fable atau fable tell stories about animals. Jadi menceritakan tentang hewan. And second, myth tell story or myth that are considered factual. Jadi ceritanya itu berdasarkan fakta. And third, legend atau legenda. Folk stories that tell the origin of a place. Next, genre of narrative text. Folk tale, cerita rakyat. Tell stories passed down from generation to generation so that they become tradition of the people. Jadi cerita rakyat itu adalah cerita yang turun-temurun. Next, fairy tales atau dongeng. Novel tune is a children's story that contains elements of magic to the characters and has a moral message. Third, love story atau cerita cinta. A love story whose contents are in the form of a struggle to get the love of the main character. Next, ada genre of narrative text. Science fiction, horror, history, slice of life, personal experience. What is the purpose of the text? To entertain the readers, to amuse the readers, to teach moral value, to change social opinion. Next, generic structure of narrative text. Yang pertama itu ada orientation. It set the scene and introduce the participant. It answer the question such as who, when, what, and where. Complication tells the problems of the story and how the main characters solve them. This part includes situation, activities, or events that lead problem to the climax. It shows when the crisis arises. Next, resolution. The crisis is resolved for better or worse. It shows the end of the story, usually a happy ending. Next, other generic structure or optional. Evolution. The stepping back to evaluate the story or the moral message of the story. Coda. Change of the character of listen or value of the story. Reorientation. The ending of the story. Next, the language feature or narrative text. Use adverb of time, such as once upon a time and one day. Next, specific character, not general, such as Cinderella, Snow White, and Ali Baba. Use direct speech. It is to make the story lively. The direct speech use present tense. Snow White said, "My name is Snow White." The language feature of narrative text. Use of adjective to build noun groups to describe the people, animal, or thing in the story. Examples such as a nice, diligent, and kind-hearted man. Use of time connective and conjunction to squeeze even through time. Examples such as however, although, later, and then. Past tense. Example, Ajisaka went to the kingdom. Measure the size of the turban. Use of action verbs. Example, stood, explain it, provided, smashed. Use of saying and thinking verbs to indicate what character are feeling, thinking, or saying. Oke, di sini ada example of narrative text. In first ada orientation, boleh tolong dibacakan. Anggi, ada Anggi?
Ada Ibu.
Tolong bacakan yang orientation ya.
Okay. Once a fisherman named Batak Guru Sahala lived in Bataclan. One day, he caught a fish. To his surprise, he found that the fish could talk. It begged Sahala to see it free. Sahala did accordingly. As soon as the fish was free, it changed into a woman. She was so beautiful that the fisherman fell in love with her at once. He asked her to marry him. The woman agreed to marry Sahala. However, she told him that he must never let out the secret that she was a fish. Sahala promised her that he would not tell anyone about it.
Oke, next complication dibacakan oleh Sahnas. Ada Sahnas?
Ada, Miss.
Oke, Sahnas.
Complication ya, Miss?
Yes.
They were happily married and had 2 daughters. Every morning, Sahala went out fishing. His daughters would bring him his lunch. One day, however, instead of bringing the food to their father, the girls ate it. When Sahala learned what they had done with his meal, he got very angry. He shouted at them, saying, "You behaved exactly like the daughters of a fish." The girls did not understand what their father meant. They went home and asked their mother about it. When they told her what he had said, she was very annoyed. Although Sahala apologized to her later, she would not forgive him for breaking his promise.
Okay, thank you. Next, resolution Cintana, ada Cintana?
Present, Miss.
Oke.
Resolution ya. Okay.
Ya.
Then the earth began to tremble, and volcanoes start to erupt. The earth cracked to form a big hole. People said that this hole became Lake Toba.
Oke. Sekarang saya akan menjelaskan kenapa ini menjadi orientation, complication, sama resolution. Di sini dilihat dari paragraf 1 dan 2. Paragraf 1 dan 2 ini kenapa orientation? Karena menceritakan tentang tokoh utama, kegiatan sehari-hari mereka, terus pertemuan dengan istrinya, dan perjanjian mereka, itu termasuk dengan orientation. Orientation itu adalah orientasi. Jadi perkenalan dalam cerita itu. Lalu, yang kedua ada complication. Complication. Kenapa ya complication itu ada di paragraf 2 dan 3? Karena di paragraf 2 dan 3 itu adalah masalah yang muncul ketika ia memarahi anaknya secara tidak langsung telah melanggar perjanjiannya dengan istrinya. Di sini kan artinya seperti itu ya. Jadi complication itu adalah isi konflik. Nah, konflik dari cerita itu, permasalahan yang mulai muncul itu ada pada complication. Dan yang terakhir itu di resolution. Resolution adalah resolusi atau akibatnya. Jadi di sini dijelaskan tadi yang telah dibacakan oleh Cintana, akibat dari pelanggaran janji tokoh utama, terjadilah erupsi Gunung Merapi membuat sekelilingnya menjadi danau seketika. Jadi, kenapa cerita ini disebut dengan Toba Lake? Yaitu karena cerita ini menceritakan tentang Danau Toba. Seperti itu ceritanya ya. Next, saya akan bertanya satu-satu ya tentang apa itu tadi the language feature of narrative text. First itu use adverb of time, yang mana yang use adverb of time. Nafisa, ada Nafisa?
Present, Miss. Ada.
Yang mana ya, di dalam cerita ini, menurut kamu yang mana yang kata-kata itu termasuk dalam use adverb of time? Berarti tentang waktunya.
Yang once, Miss.
Oke, betul. Next, specific character. Berarti karakternya. Siapa ya? Nurul, ada Nurul?
Ada.
Yang mana specific character dalam teks itu?
Batara Guru Sahala.
Ya. Use direct speech. Sahnas?
Yang di paragraf ketiga, yang you behave exactly like the daughters of a fish.
Di paragraf ke
3. 3.
Betul. Next, use of adjective. Najwa, ada Najwa. Anggi, ada Anggi.
Ada, Miss.
Oke, di dalam teks ini, yang mana kalimat yang termasuk dengan use of adjective?
yang beautiful, angry, and annoyed.
Ya. Next, use of time connective. Lanjut, Anggi, yang mana? Yang mana aja di
Ya.
antara kalimat itu?
As soon as, however,
Mhm.
although, later, and then.
Ya. Next, use of past tense. Past tense itu berarti yang telah lampau. Berarti di belakangnya itu identik dengan ed ya. Nafisa,
Iya, Miss. Iya, Miss.
boleh jawab yang use of past tense yang mana aja?
Tadi yang mana, maaf, Miss?
Use of past tense. Di situ ada live. Terus apalagi tuh?
Iya.
Di paragraf pertama ada live.
Oh, ada live, ada talk, ada married, ada head. Itu, Miss.
Ya, betul. Ada lagi? Mungkin yang bisa ditambah, ada yang bisa tambahkan lagi mungkin? Cintana? Tadi udah disebutin tuh, live, told, married, apalagi? Cintana ada?
Hadir, Miss.
Tadi
Had,
disebutkan 3. Ya, betul.
did not, sama began.
Ya. Lanjut. Use of action verb. Use of action verb. Yang mana, Cintana?
Oh, saya lagi.
Iya,
Uh,
lanjut.
Called. He
Di
called
paragraf
his.
berapa?
Paragraf pertama.
Iya, betul. Terakhir ada use of saying and thinking verbs. Nurul, can you answer this? Yang mana
Yes.
aja?
Agreed and promised.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for today. I hope that our discussion this time will be received by you. Okay, thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Bye.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss. Thank you.